video I have discussed about first isomorphism theorem of group and some example of first isomorphism theorem. And today I will discuss about some more example of first isomorphism theorem, because this topic is very important for any comparative exam, and not only comparative exam, this is also important for any stream, because this is just base of the group theory. Okay. Consider one example. F be all real polynomial with real coefficient, and the mapping operation here addition. Here the mapping from all polynomial with real coefficient to all polynomial with real coefficient under the operation addition. And the defined mapping is P maps to derivative of the polynomial. Okay. F be a mapping from all polynomial with real coefficient to all polynomial with real coefficient, and the mapping is defined as P maps to derivative of the polynomial. At first, let's see, is this homomorphism? This is always homomorphism. Just check. F of P plus Q equal to P plus Q prime, which is also equal to, by the derivative rules, P prime plus Q prime. This is similar to F of P plus F of Q. So, homomorphism property has satisfied here. Well, and we have studied in ACES all polynomial have antiderivative. We have studied it in ACES, we all of us know. So, F is always onto. Are you getting? Okay. What would be the kernel of F? We all of us know. Kernel of F equal to set of all polynomial in the group mean Rx such that dp equal to 0, because here the function defined as derivative of polynomial, and this is only constant polynomial, because we all of us know derivative of constant polynomial always 0. Okay, then what is kernel of F? Kernel of F equal to P in Rx, and P belongs to all real number. Okay, are you getting? So we can tell by first isomorphism theorem Rx mod R isomorphic to Rx. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Dn group. We all of us know Dn group. Now construct a mapping F from Dn to Z2 such that set of all rotation sends to 0 and set of all reflection sends to 1. Now check, is it homomorphism? F of R to the power n equal to, one side it would be 0, other side it would be 0 plus 0 plus 0 n times, which is also equal to 0. And F of A square equal to F of E, and which is equal to 0. On the other hand, it is F of S plus F of S, which is equal to 1 plus 1, and which is equal to 2, and 2 is congruent to 0 in mod 2. Okay. So this example always a homomorphism. And what would be the kernel of F? We all of us know kernel of F equal to the cyclic subgroup generated by R, and F of R to the power k equal to k into F of R, and this is always similar to 0, and f of s r to the power k equal to f of s plus f of r to the power k, and which is similar to f of s plus k f of r. Okay, and this is similar to 1 plus k times 0, and this is equal to 1. That means any rotation sends to 0 and any reflection sends to 1. So, by isomorphism theorem, we can tell Dn mod cyclic subgroup generated by R is isomorphic to whole Z2. Okay? Now consider this mapping in another way. Here the rotation sends to 1 and reflection sends to 0. In previous time, I have said rotation sends to 0 and reflection sends to 1. At first, let's see, is it homeomorphism? F of Rs equal to, since here the operation addition by the property of homeomorphism, this is equal to f of R plus f of S, and this is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. And what would be f of Rs? We can write is f of s r to the power n minus 1. Okay, and this is similar to f of s plus n minus 1 times f of r. Okay, and this is same as n minus 1. Okay, and from this line we can tell 1 is congruent to n minus 1 when n equal to 2. Otherwise, it cannot possible. 1 does not congruent to n minus 1 when n not equal to 2. Okay, that means this homeomorphism only hold when n equal to 2. That means when f mapping from D2 to Z2 under addition, then this relation will be hold. Okay, and this is similar to f of s plus f of r to the power 2n minus 1, and this is, if since s tends to 0, this is equal to 0 plus 2n minus 1 times f of r, and this is equal to 2n minus 1, and which is congruent to minus 1 in Z2, and minus 1 also congruent to 1 in Z2. So, this relation has satisfied here. Now, what would be kernel of f? This is, since r to the power 2n equal to identity, this contains r square r to the power 4 up to r to the power 2n minus 2, and also contain all reflection sr square sr to the power 4 up to sr to the power 2n minus 2, and this is equal to cyclic subgroup generated by S and R square, and this is similar to Dn, because we all of us know the construction of Dn. So by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell D2n modulo Dn is isomorphic to Z2 under addition. Okay, are you getting? Well, and here Z2, because this mapping is onto, for all rotation and all reflection, this will be satisfied. So here the Z2 under addition. Okay, well, now let's see one more example, and this is very important example. The example is, are there exist any non-trivial homomorphism F from D6 to A4? And I will find this homomorphism by this theorem, by first isomorphism theorem. This theorem we all of us know, F modulo car F always isomorphic to image of F. At first, let's see the normal subgroup of D6. We all of us know all rotation are normal subgroup of D6. So, the normal subgroup of D6, the set containing identity, the set containing identity and R cube, other normal subgroup set containing identity R square R to the power 4, and other is set containing identity R square R cube R to the power 4 R to the power 5, and other is D6. Now let's see the factor group theorem. First, for this identity 12, here though, since here order 1, 12 modulo 1 equal to 12. For this here the order 2, so 12 modulo 2 equal to 6. Here 12 modulo 3 equal to 4, and 12 modulo 6 equal to 2, and 12 here, since here whole D6, so order 12, so 12 modulo 12 equal to 1. Now let's verify which are homeomorphism. If you consider this factor group, since here the kernel is identity, so this would be 1 1. Also this is on 2, because the order of A4 and factor group are similar. Okay, that means if we consider this factor group, then D6 would be isomorphic to A4, but this cannot possible, because we all of us know in D6 has a subgroup of order 6, but in A4 there is no subgroup of order 6. Okay, so this cannot possible. Now my question, is this factor group possible? We all of us know factor group is isomorphic to image of F, and image of F always will be subgroup of the codomain. Here the codomain A4, since 6 is image, is there exist any subgroup of order 6? No. So this is also not possible. Are you getting why not possible? Okay. Now notice at first this factor group. Notice here the result 2, and there exists subgroup of order 2 in A4. Okay, this is it possible? We all of us know only Z2 is a group of order 2, so it is actually isomorphic to Z2. Okay, and the mapping is look like all rotation means identity R square R cube R to the power 4 R to the power 5 both map to identity in A4. Okay, and other all reflection TR square TR cube TR to the power 4 and TR to the power 5 both sends to the cycle 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is actually the subgroup of A4, and here the both factor group as well as the image is identical with the group Z2. Okay, here all identity maps to 0 and all reflection maps to 1, and this is similar to both in both way, image and factor group. Okay, that means both group are isomorphic to Z2. Okay, so we can get a homeomorphism when these element would be the kernel. Okay, and this is when the order of the factor group 1. This is always trivial homeomorphism. Here all the elements of the kernel maps to identity. Are you getting? And this mapping is look like all rotation identity r, r square, r cube, r to the power 4, r to the power 5, and all reflection t, tr, tr square, tr cube, tr to the power 4, both are elements of the kernel and all map to identity in the group A4. Are you getting? And this is trivial homeomorphism. Okay, now I will represent this factor group of order 4, and I have considered it at last because if you understand this factor group order 2 and order 1, then you can understand this factor group easily. Are you getting? Let's see this factor group. Since this is the order of the factor group 4, and in A4 only this subgroup is of order 4. Are you getting? Okay. And notice this is actually same as Z2 direct product Z2 because all the elements of this subgroup is order 2, and this is look like here the normal subgroup are I, R to the power 4. So these are normal subgroup I, R to the power 4, and here the left coset as well as right coset are one coset T, TR to the power 4, other R cube, R to the power 5, and other is TR cube, TR to the power 5, and all this sends to, this is the codomain A4, this map to identity, and this map to 1, 2, 3, 4, this map to 1, 3, 2, 4, and this map to 1, 4, 2, 3. Are you getting this mapping? This is actually similar to one, 1, 0. Sorry, here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1. Both image and this factor group is similar to this, and this is actually the Z2 direct product Z2. Okay, that means this factor group and the image are behave as same as this group Z2 direct product Z2. Are you getting? So this homeomorphism also possible when the normal subgroup are I, R square and R to the power 4. Now if I ask you how many homeomorphism exist here, one trivial homeomorphism and other, this is one homeomorphism which is isomorphic to Z2, but here interesting. Notice tr to the power 4. Here I have sense to this coset 1, 2, 3, 4. But I also can sense to it 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. So there exist 3 possibilities for the coset tr to the power 4. Are you getting? Okay. And similarly, 2 possibility for the coset r cube and r to the power 5, and 1 possibility for the coset tr cube tr to the power 5. So there exist 3 plus 2 plus 1 means 6 homeomorphism can possible. Are you getting? This is very important. So there exist 7 non-trivial homeomorphism and 1 trivial homeomorphism, and total number of homeomorphism is 8. Okay? Now let's see other similar type homeomorphism. Number of homeomorphism from S3 to Killenford group. We all of us know the normal subgroup of S3 are identity, A3 and S3. Okay? When I will choose identity, then factor group would be S3 modulo identity and which is isomorphic to S3. And we all of us know order of S3 is 6. But notice the Killenford group, there exists no subgroup of order 6. So this factor group cannot possible. That means there exists no homeomorphism S3 to Killenford group with the kernel identity. Okay. Now consider the normal subgroup A3, and the order of the factor group S3 modulo A3 would be 2. Okay. And we all of us know only group of order 2 is Z2. And the mapping is look like one coset with kernel A3 means set of all even permutation which maps to identity in the Killenford group. Okay. And the other coset would be all odd permutation. Are you getting? And we can map this at the point A. Okay. And the both group, factor group and image are isomorphic to Z2. That means A3, here identity maps to 0 and other coset maps to 1. Okay. These both group, factor group as well as image would be isomorphic to Z2. Okay. And there is one possibility, all odd permutation map to A. Other possibility is it can be mapped to either B or C. So there exist 3 different homeomorphism with kernel A3. Are you getting? Okay. And other is when I will choose whole S3, then the factor group would be S3 modulo S3, which is similar as identity, and this is actually the trivial homeomorphism. That means all the element of S3 are the member of the kernel and kernel maps to identity, and this is the trivial homeomorphism. So there exist 4 different homeomorphism and 3 non-trivial homeomorphism and 1 trivial homomorphism. Okay? And in general, the total number of homomorphism from Sn to K4 is 1 when n equal to 1. That means when the mapping from S1 to K4, then this is only the trivial homomorphism. Okay? And for n greater than equal to 2, the number of homomorphism always 4, because in K4 there is always 3 subgroup of order 2. So when n greater than equal to 2, then always the number of homomorphism would be 4. And this is the short tip for any comparative exam. Okay? Now let's see one example which has come in session net exam, and this is very useful and very easy. The number of group homomorphism from the alternative group A5 to the symmetric group S4 is option 1, 1, option 2, 12, option 3, 30, option 4, 6. Here, at first, remember, we all of us know An is a simple group for n greater than equal to 5, and since given A5, that means this is also simple group, and the normal subgroup of A5 are identity and A5 itself. When the normal subgroup would be identity, then the factor group would be A5 mod identity, which is isomorphic to A5. And if the kernel is identity, then this map always 1, 1. And look, the group A5 and the group S4 always finite group. So it always will be on 2. Okay? And if the group be on 2, then order of A5 always should be equal to order of S4, which cannot possible. So this homomorphism does not exist with the kernel identity. Okay? And when the normal subgroup A5, then A5 mod A5 would be identity. And this is actually the trivial homomorphism. And this is always possible. This homomorphism is look like f of sigma equal to identity. Okay? And so there exists only one homomorphism, trivial homomorphism. Are you getting? This is very easy. Now let's see other interesting example. The number of group homomorphism from Killen4 group to Killen4 group. Here the domain and codomain are same. We all of us know the normal subgroup of Killen4 group are identity, other set containing the element EA, set containing the element EB, and set containing the element EC. Okay? When the kernel would be identity, then the factor group would be 4 modulo 1, then the order would be 4. Which is isomorphic to actually the whole codomain V. Okay? Now let's see the mapping. The mapping is the kernel is E and other coset are A, B and C. Are you getting? Here E maps to E, and notice A can maps to either A or B or C. Okay? So there exists 3 choice for the element A, and after sending A, B can map to 2A. We all of us know it because I have discussed it repeatedly. Okay? And after sending B, C can map to 1A. So number of homomorphism for this 3 plus 2 plus 1, that means 6. Are you getting? Now if we consider this normal subgroup, then the order of the factor group would be 2, and this is isomorphic to Z2. We all of us know this. Here the mapping look like, here the kernel contain 2 elements E and A, then other coset contain B and C, and B and C can map to 3-way. We all of us know this. And in this way, we will get 3 homomorphism with kernel E and A. Similarly, if you consider this as a kernel, then you will get 3 homomorphism. Similarly, for this, you will get 3 homomorphism. Okay? And for the normal subgroup, whole Killenford group, the order of the factor group would be 1, and this is just the trivial homomorphism. We all of us know it. All the element maps to identity. So, whole number of homomorphism would be 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, and this is equal to 16. Are you getting? Well.